Here we are at this awesome house in Parma, Ohio. Me and Brian were just talking about how he's gonna miss the big backyard. It's got great space throughout. We're gonna go take you on a tour. Let's get going. About this particular location is it's so easy to get in and out. The freeway is right down the street, so you don't have to worry about heavy traffic. You can just get home and take off. So I love the neutral colors in this home, and I absolutely love the original hardwood floors. And if you walk into the back room, that makes the perfect home gym. That leads to an attached 2-car garage, and then you're right out in your backyard. So Brian absolutely loves his side yard. This is so cool. You can open the side door and whoop, let out the fur babies, as well as having a backyard. Being on a corner lot is so nice. So if this is the kind of home that you're looking for next for you, your fur babies, or just your family, reach out to us today.